Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. In this video, we are going to discuss this exercise. Observe the design carefully and draw the horizontals and verticals. That ortho is on. Make sure that ortho is on. Draw the horizontal, vertical. Carefully observe the design. Okay. Here, what is this internal circle diameter? 55 diameter. Circle. This is my center point. Diameter of 55. Okay. And what is this outer circle radius? 90. Circle is my center point. 90 means 45 radius. Please check that object snap settings all are enabled. Okay. Then what we have to draw? We have to draw these ears. So take line command. From the center point, draw a line at the rate length, whatever the length it may be, less than, what is the angle? 0 with respect to vertical, na? So with respect to horizontal, how it will be? How much it will be? 60 at the rate 300 less than 60. Okay. With respect to vertical, 30 degrees, and with respect to horizontal, it is 60. Okay. Then where this circle lies exactly, where this vertical line, this 30 degrees line, and this horizontal line, some distance is given to you. How much is from this line? Around the offset of 60 mm. There is some line. So how to draw this line? If you observe, this line bisects this 60 degrees into two parts. So draw a line at the rate 200 less than 30. Draw a line 30. So that draw the offset of this circle. Offset of circle with a distance of 60 mm. Modify offset. What is the distance? 60. Okay. Then make sure you do the mirror operation. Use the modify commands as much you can. Mirror. This is my start point, and this is my end point. Sorry. Modify, mirror, enter with respect to this mirror line. Enter. So the point where it intersects this line, this is my circle. What is the circle radius? What is the circle radius? 20 diameter. That means 10 radius. 10 radius circle. Right? And what is the external one? 18 radius circle. 18 radius circle. Okay. So after drawing one side, use the command mirror. Before using the command mirror, make sure that the sketch is properly trimmed as per our requirement. The unwanted portions. Okay, this one I don't need that one. Later on, enter. Later on, use the command tan radius. Draw circle tan radius. This is my first point. This is my second point. What is the radius? 14 radius. Okay. Then TR double enter. This portion I don't need that one. And this one also I didn't need that one, I think. Oh, I need that one. This one I don't need. Just carefully observe what you need and what you don't need. Which one is require you need to mention it. Otherwise, simply trim it. This year is completed. No, use the command mirror. Use the command mirror. This one. Enter. With respect to vertical, mirror it. With respect to vertical, mirror it. Now, what is this radius? 17 radius. Use the command draw circle tan radius. This is my first tangent. This is my second tangent. What is the radius of that circle? 17. So, remaining portions, you just trim it. Using of modify toolbars appropriately at the correct time is very important to save the time. To save the time. Okay. So these both are completed now. So select these things. This is symmetric about horizontal. So modify mirror with respect to horizontal. Yes, model is almost completed, right? Then what we have to do, if you observe, there is a strip. There is a strip here. I have drawn a strip. So we have to make a offset of this one. Modify offset. So offset distance, how much it is? 8. 8. So offset distance 4 from with respect to the or what axis. This side 4, this side 4. If you trim it like that, there will be gaps like this. Carefully observe. So for to avoid all those things, the best option is draw a make sure that ortho is on. Draw a line which crosses the internal line, which crosses the internal circle, so that there will be no problem of extension. Modify offset, distance is 4, select the object on both sides. You made a strip, right? Now trim it. Trim the unwanted portions. This one also I don't need. Okay. Later on, how many strips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Using the polar array command, you make the entities polar array, select the object, enter. With respect to this center, how many? 6. Done. So in this fashion, we are able to draw the sketch. Now what is important is dimensioning. Dimension, angular dimension. With respect to this line, what is the angle? 30. With respect to angle is 30. And what is the radius? What is the radius of that outer circle? 18. What is the radius of the internal circle? Diameter 20 diameter. How many are there? 4 holes are there. What is the distance, intermediate distance between of the strip? 8. Okay. And what is the distance from here to here? Dimension, aligned dimensions. Distance is 60. Okay. Is there any dimensions that we are missing? Yes. Dimension, radius, this one. What is the radius of that one? R70. Okay. Is there anything I am missing? Yeah. Completed. Almost everything is completed. Okay. In this fashion, we are going to Draw, and it is very very important to draw the horizontals and verticals, that is axis lines. And convert those lines into center lines. This is my axis line. I am changing to center line. Okay, right. So in this way we have completed this sketch. Thank you.